Hello everyone, Scott Gombar, scottgumbar.com, Connecticut inbound marketing, social media marketing, and web design. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Facebook today. I know that's a surprise to you all, but being Connecticut's Facebook expert, I figure it's a good topic to talk about. You're probably wondering, you may have wondered at times, I get somebody to my website, they look at my website, and they leave my website. How do I get them back to my website? How do I get to that person again? Well, luckily for you, Facebook has a feature in their ad campaign setup that allows you to do that. So let me show you how that works. Okay, I'm going to use the Power Editor, and I'm going to go to the Ad Manager. Now I set this up earlier, so I always get my password wrong. And there we go. Okay, now I set one up earlier, so I'm not going to go through the whole process of setting it up, but I am going to show you how that works. Alright, so I'm going to go to the Ads Manager, and the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a custom audience. So how do I do that? I go to this menu up here, I go to Audiences over here. Alright. Click OK, and as you can see I already created one earlier today for a different website. So you create an audience. You select Custom Audience from your website. Give it a name. I'm going to call this one Scott Gumbar. You can add a description if you'd like. View custom audience pixel. So I'm going to view this code you're going to need to add to your website, and down here all website visitors or visitors to a specific page on your website, and then save for how many days. So let me copy this code. So I'm going to show you what I do with this code once I'm done. Now you may just want to send the code to your web designer if you didn't design the website yourself. It's up to you, and that's it. So now I go to my website, and my website is done in WordPress. So I'm going to log in. And what happens is I'm going to need to edit the header of my site. So this code gets placed in your header. And we'll go to header. And you place it anywhere in your header. I would put it at the end of the header. Okay. Now, once that's in your code, save, update the file. You go back now. You create your ad. So we're going to go to Campaigns. And we're going to create a new campaign. Okay. And so what do we want to do? I think we're going to use people that visited my website. We're going to get them to like my page. The reason I usually select the page like is because this allows me the opportunity to reach that customer again and again, rather than if they go to my website, they may just visit it one more time. Now, you should be doing things on your website to get them to come back. And what I mean by that is, do you have call to actions on your website? Do you have a mailing list sign up on your website? So here's a interaction here. You can schedule an appointment with me. I have a call to action right here, get a free inbound marketing assessment. I have another call to action right here, get a free report. And all of these will require you leaving some type of contact information for me. Now, let's go back to the ad. So page likes. Alright. I'm just going to use the image I already have here for now, just because I'm going to show you how this works. Now, I've showed you how to set up an ad through here before, but when I set this up, I'm going to choose a custom audience. Alright, so I have website visitors. And apparently not a lot of the people that have been to my website are on Facebook at this point, which is kind of surprising. Maybe if I broaden my location range, but I'm going to leave it at that for now. Just so you can see. So I selected website visitors, and then you would fill in the rest of the information as you wanted it. I don't know if maybe I have some other settings in here that's making it kind of low. And now once I'm done setting it up, I would just place the order or review the order, whichever, if you wanted to go over it and make sure it is what you want it to be. And now I'm targeting people that have visited my website. So they've already seen the website once. It's going to kind of jog their memory. They're on Facebook, and all of a sudden they see Scott Gombar again, and they say, hey, I remember that. They like my page. Now I have the opportunity to interact with them again and again, engage with them again and again. And that's the marketing game. You're not going to be able to get somebody on the first try most of the time. Most of the time, they say on average, it takes 7 touches to get a new client, to turn a visitor into a client. So you think about that for a minute. The chances of them coming back to your website 7 times, probably not too good unless you give them a reason to do that. So one of those things, have them sign up on a mailing list. So if I give them a free report here, if I schedule a free appointment with them here, if I get a free marketing assessment here, if they want to get on my mailing list here, get some free digital marketing advice, all of these things will have me interacting with them. So these are other touches, but the focus of this video was Facebook ads in something called WCA, Website Custom Audience. Okay. If you have any questions on this, feel free to contact me on my website, scottgombar.com, or you can call me 203-806-0736. It's right here. Any of those methods are fine. You can even email scott@scottgombar.com. Until next time, have a good day.